Welcome back to the gun dungeon, guys. We're playing with our inner pyro today, and we are going to be looking at different burn rates of powder. And what I mean by burn rates is just out in the open, how quick they burn, no pressure, no containment, no nothing like that. And we're going to have some black powder here to start with, some good GoX actual black powder. We got some H110, which is a pretty slow burning pistol powder. We have some Trail Boss, which is a fast burning pistol powder. And we have the slowest powder that I have, which is H4350 or IMR 4350. And on the table already, I have black powder here. I have Trail Boss here. This should be pretty violent and volatile. Don't know what this is going to do. I've never burned smokeless powder out in the open. This is probably the part where I should take a Paul Harrell intro and say, do not try this at home. I'm what you call a professional, maybe something like that. Even though I do have fire behind me and a table full of powder, maybe I'm not a professional. But anyways, let's go ahead and get close up on these. We'll light them at the same time and see what happens. Yeah, boy, that black powder sure shows you what's up. Even uncontained, you saw how much faster that burned than even the fast burning pistol powder. That's pretty rapid. That was pretty violent. So now let's try the H110, which is a slower burning powder, and the IMR 4350, which is even slower than the H110. Let's see if there's a difference between those two. H110 ball powder, as you can see, IMR 4350 stick powder. Let's try them. I don't know about you two, but I think I could tell a difference between those two. It looked like the IMR 4350 burned a little slower. I was busy trying to light it because it didn't catch as fast as the other one. So what we're going to do now is the fastest burning smokeless powder that I have, the Trail Boss, and the slowest burning powder that I have, 4350 again. And let's try those side by side. Maybe I can get them lit at the same time. I'll try my best. Let's try these two. Oh, I think that was a pretty good demonstration, guys. I think that showed us there's a big difference between the burn rate of the pistol powder and that rifle powder. Even just out here in the wide open, no containment, it's not being pressurized, anything like that. But that was a good demonstration. I think it showed that the pistol powder burned quite a bit faster than that 4350 did. We got some more black powder here though. How can I not? That was pretty violent. We gotta do it again. I don't know of any smokeless powder that fast though. That is pretty violent, and that is just standard old black powder for you. So when you hear people talk about, oh, you got stores of powder in there, it's gonna make your whole house blow up. Maybe if you got kegs of black powder. I don't think the smokeless powder is gonna burn or blow up like that. That's violent. Smokeless powder, not so much. Primers. Should we do a video on burning primers, see how they react? Let me know in the comments what you think. We may try that. That's what I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, stay tuned. Y'all be sure to go check out Vetter Holsters, big sponsor of the channel. Have about any kind of holster you can think of. There's one of the cool designs that they have. You saw the blood red holster for my XDM 10mm. They make a holster for just about any gun out there. A lot of the 10mm stuff. I use their light tuck. That's about all I use anymore for inside the waistband stuff. Great products, great company. Check out Vetter Holsters. You all be sure to go check out Target Sports USA. They're a big sponsor of the channel now. And if you use my link below, you're going to get a free gift at checkout with your purchase. Their Ammo Plus membership is a great value. If you shoot very much at all through the year, it's going to pay for itself in no time and then some. Be sure to check out Target Sports USA.